So do you want to use any song of your choice as a ringtone on iPhone without using a PC? I got you. First, you need to go to your app store and then download this app, GarageBand. It's a large file, so you can see right here, 1.6 gigabytes, and then you download it. And then you search for any song of your choice on Google and download it right here. So after you download it, it's going to be in your Files app. So you tap on it like this and you go to On My Phone, and it's going to be around here. So this is the song I'm going to use. But first, I'm going to go to my sounds and then ringtones, and then you're going to see I have no music right there. So it's going to be at the top of this one right here. So let's get started. So what you're going to do next is you go inside of the GarageBand app, the one we downloaded, and then you're going to see it open like this, and then you swipe till you see audio recorder, and then you tap on it, and then you're going to see it open like this. You tap on this section, okay, and then you're going to tap on this blue. If it's turned blue right here, you tap on it to just turn it off, and then you tap on this brick right here to see a recorder or a microphone, and that is pretty much very cool. So this is how it's going to look like. And then the next thing you do is you tap on this loop right here beside the settings. You tap on it, and then you tap on Files, and then you are going to see your music right here. In case you don't see it right here, you tap on Browse, and then you are going to see it inside right here where your Files app is. You still don't see it, you tap on this side, and then you can look for it. So when you go to your Files app and then you see the song, you tap on it, and it's actually going to upload it right here. And then you hold it and then you drag it to this section right here, and that is pretty much very cool. The next thing you do is you tap on it to see if your song is playing, and then you can adjust it or trim any section you feel like you want, but we want the full song. So the next thing we do is we tap on this section right here, the arrow pointing down, we tap on it, and you're going to see My Song. You tap on My Song, and it's going to save it. This is the place you're going to get, and then you tap on it, press hold on it, and then you rename it. So I'm going to rename it Kelvin, because it's Kelvin Boy's song. And then we tap on Done, and then we press hold on it again, and then we tap on Share, and then we tap on Ringtone because we want to use it as a ringtone, and then we tap on Export right here, and then it's going to export it. You're going to see Done right here, and then we are good. So once we are done, we can choose to use it as our ringtone at this section, but we don't want to see it that way, so we want to tap on OK, and then we go to our settings and go to Sounds and Haptics, and then let me just come here for you guys to see. We go to Sounds and Haptics, and then we tap on Ringtone, and then we're going to see Kelvin right here. Initially, we saw just opening right here, but now we can have Kelvin right here, and we can use it as our ringtone. So we can have it right here, and we can use it as our ringtone. So if this was helpful, just follow back and also share to your friends, and that is pretty much very cool. Peace.